Happy New Year's, YouTube! Welcome to 2018! I am like so hyped for this year. Last night I brought my EDC ticket Las Vegas, and I am too hyped because one, who doesn't love Vegas? And two, well, it's EDC. Hold up, I just feel like this camera is just like slightly off. Ha! Now that's better. Okay, guys. So I did not introduce myself. And me in my fly coat. Yes. Check this fur out. Yes. It's me, Rockit. For those of you guys who are new to my channel. And I'm showing you guys how Rockit is rocking this fly turban. Let me give y'all a slow turn so y'all can check it out. Y'all saw that? I know it was blinging. So I just wanted to give you guys a short video on how I made this turban. Guys, so quick, so easy. Anyone can literally do it. All you just need is the right tools and utensils, and you got this. The best thing about this turban is that it is reversible. I actually like it better the other way, but it's just nice to give you guys to give you an option. I just feel like the other way is just a better fit on me. It just works better on my face. I love it. What I love about these turbans is, yeah, you could dress it up and wear it for New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. Well, you can wear this in July, you can wear this in September, you can wear this in March. Honestly, you know, it's just a way to just spunk up your outfit. So if you want to just go out and, you know, get cute and fab, you just want to run some errands, but, you know, still be cute and fab. Or your wig ain't laid right, but you still want to be cute and fab. Watch this video, guys. I'm going to show you guys how to make this cute and fab turban.
Here's what you're going to need. A turban. I got mine from the beauty supply store, but they sell them at 99-cent stores as well. Your crystals, I got the hot fix ones. These use an iron or like a hot crystal gun glue that I'm using right now. A hot crystal gun glue. I know that's not what it's called, but hey, whatever. I use a flat side and a toothpick. Instead of the bit that it comes with. The bit that it comes with, you're supposed to put directly onto the rhinestone or Swarovski crystal and place it directly onto the whatever you're making, whether it's jeans, a turban, but it does not work for me. So I just use a flat side of my crystal gun, and then I use a toothpick to slide the crystal off and to stick on to the turban. And that's it. It's dried, it's done. It's so easy peasy. I absolutely love this. Like, this is the easiest thing I think I've ever done on my channel. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm literally just taking the glue gun, sticking it on the back of the crystals where the glue is, as I'm taking delicious sips of that delicious hot chocolate. Oh my gosh, it was so good. And then once I'm done sticking it on the back, I simply use my toothpick, and slide it off onto whatever it is I'm making. In this case, the turban. What I like about using hot fix crystals that I'm using here is the dry time. They take no time to dry. Literally, as soon as you place it on to the turban or whatever it is you're using, it's dry, and that's what I love about it. You can wear it the same day. You don't have to worry about dry time, or if you use enough glue or the right glue for them to stick on, because you know it's going to work because it's using its own glue. Side note about these crystals, y'all. Why are they so freaking expensive? I am going to take my behind to Chinatown and find some cheap crystals, because I bet in China for a pack of 100 costs like 62 cents, and I'm pretty sure I can find some in Chinatown for a pack of 100 for like, what, 65 cents? Like, I know it exists out there. These things are expensive, especially if you're getting them from Michael's. So if you want Swarovski crystals and you're going to get them from Michael's, you're definitely going to pay a little bit of a penny. But as you can see, it is worth it. Do y'all see that bling? Yes, Hunty, yes. Look at that bling, guys. Oh my God, yes. I can't wait to rock this outside and just go places. I think I'm going to go to the store. I mean, like the corner store, because I have nowhere to go. But this turban is just so fly. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Okay guys, so I just finished making the video and I just realized there's a possibility that you guys can hear my neighbor's music. But like I always said, I live in New York City and I can't do nothing about that. I can hear her singing.